Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poldam and then a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Dead doors open now.
Hurry, all recruits to transports. No need for safety gear. This will arrive.
Welcome in.
Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Got all the way in for you guys filling all the available space. Welcome in.
This is your final call on board.
I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure rod. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, First Order TIE Fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to stay blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to jump your way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this ship is on the command of the First Order. You're gonna disembark into interrogation, so get out, now.
This is better.
LS 9.6 and Torplex replacement equipment to remain with ordnance until further notice. All three are resupplied and suspended.
Where are you guys from? What?
How many? Two. This way. Along the wall here. Stop here. Stop here. Single file. Spread out. Single file. Alright, so maybe now that you are currently standing on beds, by the way, don't forget it. If you have any bags on your body,
All right, these two lines, you're following me side by side.
like if there's anything on your head and you have sunglasses, false ears, those can come off.
Rolling big.
Right, when the sun doors open, you'll go in first.
This line right there, how many? Need 4 on silver, 3 on orange. 4 there, 3 there. How many? 2. 4 on blue. How many? 2 on blue as well. How many? 2 on red. 2 on red with them. Whoever the one is, that's your. Now you'll notice we have 4 colors on the floor: blue, red, silver, and orange. Go ahead and memorize the one you're on now. Once we put you all in the cell, you'll go to the same color in there. From there, you'll be the interrogator's problem. So get ready to talk. Good news is I've heard quite some chatter already, so this shouldn't take very long. Hopefully. We all know you're with the Resistance anyway, so don't try to fight anything. We're going to make it worse. What do we have here? Animals, creatures. Where'd you get those from? The store, how specific? Which store?
Star Wars door.
It's like from the Creature Stolen Black Square outpost. Those get loose, you're chasing them. Blue and red first. Do you have any hats or bags? Take those off inside the cell.
orders.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We have the recruits. Wait, you're still here? Who's coming back with an attack force? Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way.
Recaudos para su seguridad. Permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Everybody hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Thank you. Parents, stand. Watch out, the door's gonna be closing on your left. Make sure you hold on to those personal belongings. This right here is R5, who's guiding you guys back to Batu. R5, you're gonna take care of them, right?
Okay. Take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the... Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lift at the...
We are breaching attention block 3.
Is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D.
Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D.
Now's a good time. The escape pods just below us. Why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
resistance is about to be destroyed.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear. Ground crews will meet you outside at the wreck.
But hey, your resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from
Lieutenant Beck here.